don't mess this up. This face looks good. Don't mess this up.
Pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Chygoddess, and today we are doing a full glam look because y'all, even though it is quarantine and we actually just entered the third lockdown, like this is the third wave in Ontario. This is ridiculous. Like I'm so over it, but what's keeping me together is beating that face. So let me show you guys a thing or two on how we're gonna do this look today. Okay, face is all moisturized, prepped, skincare is all ready. We're gonna be using our Morphe palette. This is the 3502 palettes. So usually when I do my makeup, first thing, gotta spray your face with hydrating water. This is just the grape water from Caudalie. It's really good, I love it. In the summertime, this is perfect to have because if you're hot and sweaty, you just spray that and you're just back to normal. So I'm gonna be adding some concealer to my lid just as a primer. Recently, guys, I got my eyebrows microbladed and it has changed my life for the better. It's just easier now because my brows are very thin before. Now they are thicker with no product on it. So when I do a full glam and I see any sparse areas that I do want to just, you know, touch up, that's like an easy fix. Comment down below if you guys would do microblading, because at first I was kind of confused on what it was, but now since I did it, y'all, it's up from here. We're gonna keep on doing it. Okay, so what we're gonna go in with next is the Revolution translucent powder. This just sets everything for me and I love it. I find it to be the perfect translucent. It works so well on me. It just blends out really well. Comment down below, guys, if you're the type of person to have the same makeup routine each time, because I change it up pretty much each time I do my makeup. I don't know why I'm like that. Next, we're gonna go in with Anastasia's Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. This is just a holy grail for me. Like, it's never done me wrong. I've been using it since I worked in Sephora, and that was like many years ago. I got into makeup, guys, probably I would say when I was in grade 9. I was watching a lot of YouTubers and, you know, makeup artists who were showing their talents online, and I felt like that was so cool because I really enjoyed, you know, covering my imperfections. I felt like it made me feel better at those times. So that's why I did that, and that's how I kind of got into makeup. We're just gonna go in with this color right here. We're gonna use that on my crease. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a dramatic eye, but we'll see. What do you guys wanna know? This is like a chit chat, get ready with me. What's my favorite genre of music? I would honestly say I'm pretty universal, just because I don't really have a specific genre that I love. I love rap, I love hip-hop, R&B, soul. I love like country some days. I love like rock band type of songs some days. Like, it depends. Some days I wake up and listen to Stevie Wonder. Like, it just depends on my mood. Right now, I would say my favorite artist is Shensia. I love her music. I feel like she's just an all-around amazing artist, and I'm so happy that she finally got out of the islands and now she's like kind of worldwide now, I would say. She's poppin', bro. She's so talented and gorgeous, holy. Guys, when you're doing your shadow, always blend her up with a clean brush because you don't want harsh lines. Another favorite artist of mine will always be A Boogie. I like A Boogie a lot. He's talented. I'm gonna go with a dark chocolate, like a chestnut color. If you guys can see my bald spot, don't watch that. We're gonna use some like shimmer in the inner area. Ooh, this is so pretty, y'all. I'm gonna spray my brush with some Urban Decay setting spray, and then we're gonna use some shadow to intensify it because this is a little dull. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. That's the trick, guys. You need to intensify your shadow, spray some setting spray on it. And on this channel, we don't hide anything from y'all. We will show you guys the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay, so this is the Marc Jacob Remarkable Foundation in Honey Light 52. I actually love this foundation. The finish is a matte finish, and usually when I put my foundation on, I just spray my face with my setting spray. And this is a full coverage foundation. Like, you don't need too much at first. It's definitely buildable, but that's the key. Like, don't apply too much at first. The concealer that I'm using, guys, is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's a satin finish, and this shade is in light beige. So let's just try the I want to try the TikTok concealer way. I think this is how they do it. Okay, so I'm gonna be blending this out with my concealer brush. I like to let this concealer dry a little bit, just so it can like thicken up. And I don't really like to put foundation underneath my eyes because you're gonna be putting concealer under there anyway, so you don't want it to be too cakey under there. So I find it a lot better just to like touch it lightly with your brush or your beauty blender, but don't put too much foundation under your eye. It could, you know, end up being patchy, and that's just not something we're trying to do over here. I got this foundation about a month ago, and I was recommended by my friend because she swears by it, and it's not bad. At first I didn't like it, but it's growing on me for sure. And then I'll just use my beauty blender and just pat everything in. The next product, guys, I absolutely love it, swear by it. I will never, ever, 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 ever stop using this product. Kevyn Aucoin Concealer. This is the Sensational Skin Enhancer in SX07. Let me tell you something about this product, guys. This product is kind of expensive. I think it's in the range of $50 to $60. However, this right here, you literally just need that amount and you're on. Do you guys see this coverage? Because it's just crazy to me. And this kind of dries fast, so you have to quickly go at it. To set my under eyes, guys, we're gonna be using Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and oh, the shade is called Buttercup, my bad. So I got the wrong shade, so I usually just use a little bit on the lid, and then I put the Makeup Revolution on top like so. I just like to press this powder into my under eye area and all over my face. Once I do that, I just dust whatever the remaining is off like so. I kind of set like my whole face with it, and then if I feel a little bit too washed out, I'll just use a bit more of the Sasha and just like bring back my color. I'm gonna be using the NARS Laguna bronzer. Blush and bronzer is probably top tier for me, one of my favorites. What I'm gonna use for my blush is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. This is my favorite blush. Like, I haven't hit tan. I had this for like 2 years. Not even 2 years, what am I talking about? I've had it for like 3 to 4 years. Like, it's just so pretty. Like, do you guys see this? This right here, y'all. Okay, don't overload them. When you overload, you just keep blending. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using NYX Matte Liquid, and I need to make sure this mirror is super close to me. We're going to do a wing liner. So one liner is done, and we're just gonna do the other eye. Wing liner honestly is my favorite thing. Like, I've said this numerous times because it just makes your look like, wow. Let me just look at it and see what we're missing. So we're gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, and this is in like a black color. Wow, this is looking cute, y'all. I used to be asked to do like other people's makeup, but let me tell y'all something. I can do my face. However, if I do other people's faces, girl, I don't understand makeup at that point. For my lips, guys, first I always wipe my lips. I don't like anything to be on it. And then I will use Maison from NYX, my favorite brown color. I love to overline, and that makes my lips look bigger. What I tend to use as a lip plumper is this Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump. It's like basically done. All I know is from Soap and Glory, and it's XXL. Sorry guys, there's no name on here. I can't like figure it out. This stuff right here will get your lips so plump that people will ask you, did you get your lips done? No, I got this from Soap and Glory. So I'm going to be using this NYX Lingerie Gloss, and bear with me, the top part fell off and I actually lost it, so it's the ghetto. I usually add this color on top of the Soap and Glory gloss, because this gloss right here from NYX is the perfect type of gloss. Like, I love NYX. If I could work with NYX, guys, that would be my goal in life, because I have so many of their products, it's insane. Majority of my products are actually NYX. And then what I usually add on top is the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. And I just add it to like the middle area. We're gonna go back in with the bronzer on my nose. I just want to get that snatched. I almost forgot to put lashes on, guys. I know my lashes are long, but lashes is an OG thing for me. Like, I'm looking at myself, I'm like, I look good, but something's missing. Like, I don't know what it is, but now I know what it is. It's my lashes. Like, it doesn't really do too much to my lash, if you guys can tell. It's like the same length. It just gives it a little thickness. So we are all finished here. This is my full get ready. This is something I would typically wear out on like a girl's night out, or if I was working at Sephora, just like a full glam, cute, presentable. Or if you're going out, this is cute for pictures, no flashback, anything like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification symbol so you guys get notified when I do drop a new video. Because you guys know we are coming with it. We are dropping videos every week, twice a week, Sunday and Thursdays. I'm also going to be dropping new videos on the random day as like a bonus video, just because I got time today. Period. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.